Yo, what's up? It's AJ with Hippie Fertilizing. Hey, check this out. We are doing a true compost top dressing. We got the EcoLawn 250. Check this bad boy out. Where's the badge? Boom. EcoLawn 250. And we are filling it up with Heirloom Soils leaf mold compost. Yo, about to get the true compost top dressing. Right now, look, there's 2 bags in there. We're trying to see how far we fill it up with this soft, beautiful, fluffy black gold. Oh my God, the carbon, the microbes, the releasing of nutrients and biology and supporting healthy fungi. That's what we like. So there's what, 3 bags, right? Okay, so I'm gonna guess we can fit 6. Let's see. Screened material is so awesome, underrated, undervalued. We're actually on a lawn today that we did a core aeration, or we did an aeration and put down some other organic products. We didn't have rain for like 39 days. Stuff was dry, it's hot. The lawn was okay, it was in decent shape. Of course it rained now there's brown patch everywhere. I don't want to put down a bunch of fungicides. I want to support soil biology, right? And so we're gonna put this leaf mold compost down again with the EcoLawn 250. And what I want, we're gonna also mix up a little bit of Microlife Liquid Humates Plus, as well as some Wholeganics Bio 800, so we can try to turn this lawn back on. Anyway, thank you for watching so far. What, how many is that?
5 bags.
5? Here, let's, yeah, this is light and fluffy stuff. Let's get it. So right now, we're at 5 bags, as you can see. Oh, so 6. Nope, I bet we could fit 8. Let's see if we can fit 8 in there. Because the hopper holds approximately 1/3 of a cubic yard. So if we fit 8 in there, I guess technically we should be able to fit 9 bags. 9 cubic yard is 27 cubic feet. And if you need to know some math on that, our simple math that I use is length times width times inches divided by 324. And there you will get the volume you need in cubic yards. Ooh, look at that. Look at this. Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful, love it. How many is this?
7.
7. Now the other thing about this is hopefully it all goes out smoothly. We're putting a lot in here. With other materials that I use with the EcoLawn 250, if you fill it up the wrong way, it will clump up and it won't spread very well. So this is 8?
Yeah, 8.
All right, what do you think? 1 more, maybe?
We could fit 1 more.
1 more. We're okay. So there we go. This is 8. We're gonna spread 9 bags on top of here. It's just about covered evenly. Yeah, what do you think? Oh my God, this is beautiful. Now, oh, bring it. You know, luckily the good thing about compost is if some gets somewhere else, we'll just blow it into the yard. Be peachy. All right, so there you have it. We have 1/3 of a cubic yard of compost in the EcoLawn 250. We will be back and show you how it spreads.